Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock notes without Face ID or password on iOS 26. So guys, if you have locked your notes and you are unable to open them with your Face ID or the password, here I will show you how can you unlock them. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, here you can see I am trying to open my note and it is asking for the password. I have forgot the password for my notes. Now if you have forgot the password, simply go back to your home screen and then go to settings, scroll it below and go to general, go to software update and make sure that you are using the updated version. And if you have any update like this, simply update it, and after this go back, scroll it below all the way and go to apps, and now go to notes from here, and now scroll it below and you have to go to password from here, and here you can see this, you can easily reset password for your notes from here. So guys, simply tap on reset password and it will ask you to enter your Apple ID password for one time. So guys, enter your Apple ID password and then tap on OK button and wait here for some seconds, and now you can see you can reset password, and now you can use your iPhone passcode or you can use another as well. So guys, here I am tapping on not now, and now you have to simply reset the password for your notes from here. So guys, simply reset the password, and after this you have to go back, and now if you set the new password which you have recently changed, you have to simply enter that password. So guys, simply tap on view note and enter that password and then tap on OK button, and here you can see this, the note is unlocked. So guys, in this way you can also unlock your notes without Face ID or password in iOS 26. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.